I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PSD and immediately locating the Smart Object layer inside Layers. Double-click that thumbnail to open the embedded document. This is the only editable source that controls the template image. Make sure your replacement image matches the template's aspect ratio and resolution so it fits without distortion. Once the Smart Object document opens, drag or place your new image and position it roughly where it should sit. Don't save the PSD yet. You'll finalize after adjustments. Now inside the Smart Object, place the new image using Place Embedded or Drag It In, which preserves quality and links it into the composition. Use Free Transform to scale and rotate. Hold Shift if you need constrained scaling for older Photoshop, or leave Free Transform for modern proportional control. Make the image a clipping mask to the template shape or position it beneath the mask layer so it inherits the crop. Once the visual match looks correct, save the Smart Object document so changes propagate back to the main PSD. After saving the Smart Object, switch back to the main document and confirm the new image updated inside the template. This is why using Smart Objects is the only way to keep non-destructive edits. Make final tweaks to layer styles, masks, and color correction so the image matches the template lighting and tone. When satisfied, export using Export As or Save for Web, choosing appropriate format and quality. If the image looks clipped or low quality, reopen the Smart Object, check resolution and transform scale, then save again to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.